When we want to add perspectives, we come to the Perspectives tab in the Cube Designer, and then we can click the third button in the toolbar called New Perspective. We just give this a name, and we can call this Sales by Product and Date. And then you can see that each of the measure groups and measures, as well as each of the dimensions, is automatically included in this perspective. So we need to deselect those items that we do not want to include. So for example, if I don't want to include order quantity and cost, I can just remove the selection there, or internet order quantity and internet cost, remove those. And then I can remove entire dimensions just by clearing the checkbox here. When I expand an individual dimension, I can see the various hierarchies as well as the individual attributes, and so I can choose to include only certain hierarchies or only certain attributes, like so. When I've finished making my selections, we can test the perspective by deploying our project, and then we go to the Browser tab where we reconnect, and then there's a perspective drop down here where we can choose to view sales by product date. So notice here in the metadata pane we have our complete cube, and then when I change to sales by product date, I only see some of the measures and I only see the attributes and hierarchies that I selected. So this just makes it easier for me to focus on selected items in my cube. Now this is not a security measure. If a user has access to a cube, they can go directly to the cube or to the perspective. Either way, there's no way to block the users. If we block the user from a cube, it also blocks them from the perspective.